What is up, guys? Welcome back here to another video here on the channel. It is WinnPlayz here, and today we're going to be doing a science experiment with Coca-Cola and Mentos. So we have the Mentos right here, and it's going to be like a Coca-Cola volcano, I guess. And so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, guys, we are back, and now it's time to do the volcano, the experiment. So you guys ready? Okay, and let's go! Okay, that was pretty cool.
Let's see if there's still more. Sometimes they can be still more.
Alright, bye guys.